traders, Jake the Stack Guy from jakethestackguy.com. Let's get right into the video. Today we're going to do a daily recap on 11/6/20. So today was $1,948 profit. I did this in about an hour worth of trading. See here, Roku 2,532, Neo 1,000, Z 100, AMD $6.50 loss, Gopro I lost, and JKS I lost. So yeah, so let's just get right into the first one, Roku. Roku was an amazing trade. I sold here, and I was already up 200%, and it ended up going all the way up to here. So this was a jackpot trade. This was a real, it got all the way up to here and then sideways and finally was able to break up. This was just an incredible trade. I mean, just, oh my God. I can't believe I sold here. If I would have held on to my position, I would have made, I don't know, 20,000 today, something like that. So just, having patience, waiting, it broke through here really strong. It opened here and it kept going. So I knew I could have sold here if I just had held. So obvious, I could have drawn another line like that too from the very top. So yeah, I could get rid of this line. But this line was the key line. Broke through here and just let it get all the way to here instead. I got some new subscribers. Yeah, what an amazing trade. Like, oh my God. ACB was another trade I was looking at that I didn't take, that I kind of wish I had taken. I was drawing some lines pre-market, and it just, we opened and just straight away short squeezed all the way past here to 12. This was another, 10, 20x trade probably. It went way past my target. Anyway, so let's just go right into the video. Roku, Neo. Neo, yeah. Yeah, I think I bought here, sold here. Nice 100% trade. Right off the support. Neo is going to be a $100 stock. It's definitely a $50 stock. But I knew when it got up here, it was over the a little too extended. See here on the RSI, well over 80. It's like, yeah, 80, 85 or something. Great trade, guys. Great trade. 100%. Or it was like 80, 90%. It was almost 100. Z, my entry on Z was not the best. I don't know what happened, but I think I bought up here and was like $1,000 red, 60%. And I just said, you know what? I'm going to hold on to my $3,000 position. And I bought up here at the options were crazy expensive. But if I zoom out, you guys, I had a little bit of a crazy target, 130. And it looks like it's going to make it to 130. Oops. Draw this line. Yeah, so we got another breakout coming potentially on Monday on Z. A lot of price targets raised. TTD, I missed this trade. Wow. Are you kidding me? I even drew lines on this one. Oh my God. You guys, what? I can't believe I didn't take this trade. Oh, on the 10-minute time frame. See, if I go to the 5-minute time frame, yeah, perfect entry right here. That was another. I mean, that was almost $100 move. Crazy, man. So crazy. But you can see that we got a lot of resistance up here at this 850. So I might be buying some puts here. I don't know. What a trade. Amazing when they work out like this. You know, not every trade is going to work out. You know, really, entries are so critical when trading. You know, you want to get in right away off that 5-minute time frame. But you know, the opposite could have happened. It could have went all the way down to here. You know, so that's why you want to keep your positions around, you know, 1, 2K if you have like a $50,000 account. I mean, this is how you get rich trading options. I mean, a $10,000 position would have made you $100,000 to $200,000. Great, right? And let's go to Gopro. GoPro, yeah, nice little spike at the open off that 5-minute time frame. Yeah, pretty much right there, just all the way up. Didn't really make it to 10 though. Just a nice quick burst and then fade all the way down to support. Yeah, this trade really got me bad. Like I had a $9.50 strike. The thing what I thought about this stock was that it was going to get a short squeeze, kind of like ACB did. This is a short squeeze, or like GME is another good example. But yeah, I just didn't quite get the short squeeze I was looking for. I mean, it did break over 2-year-old resistance, which is a big deal. Yeah, big push. I saw it late. I got in here with like a 950 strike. I mean, I just FOMO'd in at the very top right here, FOMO, and then click right back down to the 50-day simple moving average, or on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I mean, it was $850, $40 loss. I just cut it, and then JKS was another kind of letdown. You know, I bought. Let me see. I bought. Yeah, I think I bought somewhere around here. The 80 strike. Started going back up. I was like, yeah, we're going up. And then click, just, you know, tsunami is all the way down. Never had a chance. It might even be on its way down. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, if I go to the hour chart, it looks a little better, right? Like, nice entry here on the hour. Seems to kind of respect the hour trend. Every stock is a little different. It trades on a different time frame. Like if I look at NEO really works on the 10-minute time frame. See that? Today was a little spastic, but you can always use the channels. You know, 15-minute. No, NEO works really well on the 10-minute. And if you just look at the price action, not from today, but like yesterday, when it's in a bullish pattern, it touches that moving average and then off again. I got to start holding my calls, man. I got to start holding them longer. Seriously. And but yeah, like JKS respects the hour. A little easier to see where the direction is, the trend. Year to date. The thing is I didn't draw any channels on the stock, and it really just dumped at the end. It was like, yeah, okay, yeah, this might be coming back down. Who knows? Although looks like it looks like it could come all the way back down to like a $28 stock, 81. And that was the day of trading. I missed AMD. I tried to catch it a little too late, and I just cut it on the day. And so AMD works really well in the 10-minute time frame as well. As you can see, good entry here. Pre-market, it really wasn't trending, but you could. It's always easy to draw after the fact, but whoops. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, AMD was a beast runner. But if I actually go to year to date, watch this. I'm telling you guys, you just eyeball this stuff. You don't need a calculator. I can just see that's clear. And then another one right here. And then another one right here. And then another one right here. When I go to the day chart and zoom out, what do we see? Yeah, coming up the resistance. But once it gets over that, it's going to go to 90. And then over 90, golly, it's going to be $100 stock. Some thick balls right here. Yeah, AMD, great trade. Another great trade today was Snap. I missed it too. Wanted to take Snap, but just, my God, off the 10-minute time frame. And it was pushing back to all-time highs. Well, I guess you could make a case right here for it. That's a very bullish pennant right here. And if I go to on the daily chart, basically a high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, but a low, a lower low, a lower low, a lower low. And then this was kind of a fake out, but I was basically getting squeezed and then all the way up. And I wanted it. If I could have just taken this trade, golly. So that was today's trades. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like the video and you find like you're getting some value, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell so you get alerts when I make new videos. These videos are for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. And I hope you actually take something away from these videos and you learn kind of what I'm looking for and how I trade, and you get some value out of it. And if so, please do subscribe, give it a thumbs up, the video, or a thumbs down. I don't care. Leave me a comment. Let me know what stock you want me to take a look at. Yeah, God bless, guys, and I'll see you on the charts.